dude, with the actual fuck?
Nothing. I was just having a good time.
Did you try to wake me up with this stupid air horn?
No. I didn't know you were there.
To fuck with your goddamn excuse. It was clear that you were trying to wake me up. You are so deadly now, motherfucker. Now go upstairs before I will inflict big punishments. And stop throwing temper tantrums like a 2-month-old before I actually inflict a big punishment. Finally, now I can take a little nap now the classic Caillou is gone.